Hi, welcome to M Movers. Are you need a best movers company? In UAE, get the help of best movers in town with over 20 years of experience in moving industries. M Movers is one of the most trusted, affordable, and professional movers in UAE. We provide an extensive range of moving packing. You can quickly move your things to the destined place without any worries with the help of M Movers and Packers. Our service is affordable yet unmatched professional experience. Moving services, house movers, office relocation, local domestic moving, villas, flat, S offices, warehouse storage solutions in Dubai, Sharjah, and all UAE. Quality packing materials to move your belongings with care. Moving is an emotion we understand well. Trust us to move you in UAE International. We promise a no mess, no stress experience. Moving offices and villa flats, furniture installation is our core expertise. Rely on us for timely execution with complete safety and compliance to international standards. And Movers understands emotions involved in moving home, and we take good care. We respect your feelings and understand the diverse needs of individuals and families, providing speedy, customized, and While most of our customers are upgrading to a bigger, better home, some customers are right-sizing to a smaller space. In both situations, you need proper planning and preparation to make the move. Move your home with peace of mind and spend your precious time on moving your house. Shift your responsibilities to us. Let Tricker, UAE's largest and top-rated moving service, handle your home relocation while you enjoy peace of mind. Get an estimated quota for your home move in 1 minute. No hassle, no stress. Book with M Movers for an effortless transportation. Track your move online, live location tracking, and status updates of your assets on the move. Specializing in hassle-free local, Emirates, international, commercial, and more. Call today. Professional, highly rated movers servicing Dubai and surrounding cities. Get a free quote. M Movers and Packers Dubai team is experienced, skilled, trained, and hardworking. We have all latest equipments and packing materials from moving heavy loads to moving and shifting, dismantling furniture.